Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the UE wonderboom Bluetooth speaker to an iPhone XS or XS Max or XS or XS Max or the XR or XR, however you want to call it. Let's go and get started. Basically, first on the iPhone, you want to go ahead and go into the Bluetooth settings. So find the gear icon settings in your phone. If you're on the home page, go ahead and tap on it and you'll be on this page where it says settings. And then you'll go to where it says Bluetooth and then go ahead and power it on. And as you do that, like other iPhones, it will start searching for nearby devices for a good bit, like about 2 minutes or so. And while it's doing that, let's go ahead and power on the wonderboom speaker here and get it into pairing mode. So above, you'll see on the top, it's a power button, and then there is the pairing mode here. So we'll press that down first to get it on. Alright, so once you hear that, let go of that power button, and then we'll hold down this little guy here, which is the pairing button, and you're going to hold that down until you hear the other tone sound play, which initiates the pairing mode. So let's go ahead and hold that down. Alright, so let it go. That blinking light means pairing mode. The tone sound also specifies pairing mode as well. And by now on your XS or XR, you'll see where it says wonderboom. Just tap on that one time. It will connect for you. You hear that tone sound when it's fully connected and you are good to go. Other than that, ladies, gentlemen, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.